You want to look at life as that everything happens for a reason, and that reason is there to serve you. Again, everything happens for a reason, and the reason's there to serve you. Now, is that true or false or right or wrong? I don't know. Is it helpful? Abso-freaking-lutely. It is helpful, and that's all that matters, because there's no right and wrong and true and false. It's all what we decide. So everything happens for a reason. The reason is there to serve me. This is happening. I'm gonna learn from it. And I'm gonna give you a secret right now that I don't usually share in too many places except for my major seminars. Are you ready? Here it is. It is the principle of utilization. Utilization, that means everything that happens, you can either resist it, you can accept it, or you can use it, you can utilize it. And if you become a person with a mindset that we teach in our programs, it's all about utilization. How do I use what's happening to me, for me, to make it work in my benefit? And so you take whatever is going on. Worst case scenario, it's a learning. Or you just say, you know what, that's meant to be, I'm gonna make the most of this. And that's what you do with every single thing in your life. Now let me ask you a question. What if nothing bad ever happened to you? Nothing. Like you had zero bad things happen to you. How would your life be? You go, that would be amazing, right? My life would be amazing. Well, guess what? If something not so pleasant, whatever, is happening, you're the one that makes it bad. So how do you make it positive and good and supportive? You say, oh, this is happening. How do we use this right now? How do I make this work in my favor? And if you can do that, you will be what's called, I suppose, street smart enlightened.